Hey everybody, this is Ches Morone, and I'm just going to do a quick review of the Insta360 3S. I am not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I wanted to start capturing some action shots, I've been starting to walk a lot outside and, really appreciate it outside. And so I did my research and I came across this device here. Yeah, there's something about this one that's really special, and what you could see here is, so you can actually detach this lens here, so this part here, you can actually release button and it comes off and it's magnetic, and now this is the camera. And there's a button right under here, you just push it to turn it on and it starts recording right away. When it's red, it's recording, and then when you're done, that's it. Pretty straightforward. With the screen here, you can also turn on the screen and disconnect it. If you shut it off, it's blinking red. So now it's not recording, but it turned it back on. And then you just hold it down on the side here, the power button at the top. There's a quick menu button, I'll quickly go over that. But you just hold this for a second, and it turns off. And the power's off. And what's nice, so this, I've gone about 35 to 40 minutes, really hot weather up here. We've had a hot summer, so like 32 degrees, 34 degrees Celsius. So I got about 30 to 40 minutes with 4K taking this, so it's been pretty good quality. I mean, you've seen the videos that I post. If you haven't, go check them out. But I'm using this in most of the videos. I'll cite what camera I'm using for the video, but I've been mostly using this. Anyways, you get that, and then if you do have this still with you, it just magnetically connects and it just starts charging. That red means that it's charging, so it's charging from the case. Yeah, it's pretty freaking cool. So then if I just want to use it now as a regular mini camera, right here, like as in if I want to have the screen with it, I have that option here too, right? And it's just complaining about, yeah, it's not good in low light. That's the one thing I can tell you about this. It's been a great device for really good lighting, but in the area I'm right now, the lighting's like not the greatest, so it's kind of coming out. But I've been trying to take shots at night, and it hasn't really been working too well, to be quite honest with you. The two times that I went, even with a flashlight, I wasn't able to get too much footage, so it does require decent lighting for good quality. But I can say, I'm happy with what it's produced in 4K. I'll just go through the menu with you. If we swipe through the right, there's some quick settings here. I haven't really played with these too much. Then you can swipe from the bottom up, and here's where you pick the resolution, so you can pick between 4K, 2K, and 1080p, and then you have the resolutions, the frame rate here. There you go. The frame rates you can change too, but I stick to 4K 30 for my videos. And I have stabilization set to max. I find that really well, it works well with moving a lot. Here's where you'll have videos that are loaded, so that's the videos that I just took now. You can cycle through your videos like this as well, pretty helpful. And then swiping from the top, it has some quick actions. Again, I haven't played with these too much, but about, some options there with recording, and there's probably like quick options, but I'm pretty much just I literally shut this off. I don't even take this piece with me when I go for a walk or I go for a jog or whatever as I go out. I just, again, release. I take this with me. I throw it in my pocket. And that's what I have here. So one of the attachments that this comes with, it's a clip. I put on my hat just like this. It's a clip that can go on any hat. Yeah, and it's just, again, magnetic. So if I can just try to show it here, just like magnetically connects, and there you go. And then I'm walking. If I just need to, I know where this button is. I just push it, and I'll start recording. Yeah, and whatever I'm done, this. I turn my head around or whatever. I might throw it in my pocket again. You just pull it off. It's magnetic, and I just throw it in my pocket. It's so light, it doesn't interfere with moving or jogging or anything, so it's pretty awesome. And there you go, it's charging. It's quite like long, and then the other connections it comes with, or the other attachments it comes with a necklace. So this is magnetic here, so as an example. And then you can go through a shirt. It's pretty neat. And then this is an attachment that can screw on to another attachment. I guess like it's a universal. And then there's a sticky. One of these comes off, and there's a sticker. This one right here. Just like I haven't really used it much, but just a heads up. So there are additional attachments that come with it in the box. It also comes with this attachment, so I screwed it onto this stand that I already had, this long phone stand, and I was able to use this attachment that it came with the device as well. It just magnetically connects. I'll show you in a moment. And there it is connected. And yeah, I can just move it around. And it's recording. Pretty easy, very small, very convenient. Battery lasts a long time. It's got a good quality, and it's recording. Pretty easy, very small, very convenient. Battery lasts a long time. It's got a good quality. Okay, so I would say overall, I'm really happy with this device so far. I've only had it for a couple weeks now. So that's a quick menu. You can change this if you want time shift, time lapses. I just use video, but that's the quick. And then if I want to start recording while using this device, I just push this button at the top here. And it's just starting to record. That's it. Recorded. Oh, and we can see the video there. We can play back. Let's just start to record. Lower quality on this screen. It won't show the 4K. But this is more than enough. This is really good for, reviewing the video, make sure that you got what you needed. So I wouldn't fully say that I completely recommend it right now, but I can say that it's definitely been a great device. This is my first action cam. I've never had one before, and I'm really enjoying it. Hoping that, the battery inside this device doesn't, go after a long time, or, it does last a long time. I hope that, it's got quite a life of it on it, but I guess we'll just see. But yeah, great device, and I'm really enjoying it. So thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Thanks. Talk to you later.